Hello everyone and welcome to the first round of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's George Headley Primary up against Morris Knibb Prep, both schools from Kingston and St. Andrew respectively. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Morris Knibb Prep won. They decided that George Headley Primary should play first. So George Headley with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. What type of insect did John the Baptist eat in the desert?
Locust!
Correct. Bible knowledge for you, Morris Knibb. Which of the disciples of Jesus was known as the doubter?
Peter!
Incorrect. Thomas. George Headley, science. In which organ of the body are the cardiac muscles?
The heart. The heart. The heart!
Correct. Science to you, Morris Knibb. How many chambers are in the human heart?
4.
Correct. George Headley, Jamaican affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Elton John.
Incorrect. Member of Parliament, Everald Warmington. Jamaican affairs to you, Morris Knibb. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Andrew Whitley.
Correct. English language for George Headley. Spell legislative.
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 Correct. English language to you, Morris Knibb. Spell executive.
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 Incorrect. It's executive. Television for George Headley. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Burt Reynolds.
Incorrect. Robert De Niro. Morris Knibb. Television. Also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor. The question passes. George Headley, would you like to answer?
Thank you, sir.
Samuel L. Jackson. Samuel L. Jackson.
Samuel L. Jackson.
Correct. And still with you for general knowledge. What is the capital of Belgium?
Brussels. Brussels.
Brussels.
Correct. Morris Knibb, general knowledge. What is the capital of Peru?
Lima.
Judges? Accepted. Lima is correct. Social studies for George Headley. What is the name given to the path along which a planet moves?
Orbit.
Orbit. Orbit.
Correct. Morris Knibb, social studies. Which planet in the solar system is the only one proven to support life?
Earth.
Correct. Music to George Headley. Which artist released the hit single One Dance?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Incorrect. Drake. Music to you, Morris Knibb. Which artist released the hit single Marry You?
Bruno Mars.
Correct. George Headley, mathematics. What is 6.5 plus 2 1/6 as a mixed number in its lowest form?
2.5 and 2 and 1/6. 6.5.
The question passes. Morris Knibb, would you like to answer?
No, sorry.
8 2/3. Still with you for mathematics, Morris Knibb. What is 5 and 1/8 minus 2 and 5/24 as a mixed number in its lowest form? The question passes. George Headley, would you like to answer?
2 Yes, thank you, sir.
3 and 1. 3 and 1, 12.
Incorrect. 2 and 11 over 12. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read George Headley Primary on 6 points and Morris Knibb Prep on 5 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, a good night's sleep is essential for productivity at school. Go to bed early so you can be at your best the next day. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.